Speaking of lights, folks say, hey, it's kind of time to start decorating the house, but it's raining cats and dogs outside. So Josh sort of has the decorating forecast.
Yeah, you definitely want to time it out appropriately as we move through the next several days. And unfortunately, this weekend, if you got some spare time, you're going to have to find the perfect window to do that. So use extreme caution if you are climbing up any of those ladders, as you always should, but especially as they will likely be wet and it could be breezy depending on where you live, especially out along the coast. That right now is where we are picking up on our latest batch of wet weather. Storm number 2 of this week already impacting our coastal locations and already picking up on a few of those light rain showers right here in the Portland, Vancouver area. Just look at all of that yellow and orange, a good indication of all of the heavy downpours that we are seeing coming down with, again, storm number 2. This coming off the heels of storm number 1, which was our bomb cyclone that we had to deal with back on Tuesday. It's going to pay us another visit here in a couple of days, but much weaker as we really kind of hone in on that secondary storm, kicking up the winds along the coast. That's why the National Weather Service has issued that high wind warning. We're talking about 60-mile-per-hour winds possible for tomorrow. Parts of the I-5 corridor potentially climbing up to about 45-mile-per-hour gusts, closer to 30 to 35 for us here in the Portland, Vancouver area. We'll time it out. That's where we expect to see tomorrow morning some of the gustiest of the conditions along the coast, eventually finding their way back into the I-5 corridor as we gradually taper those winds back Friday night. And that will take us into Saturday, where the wet weather still remains. So these two low pressure systems dueling and dancing out over the Pacific Ocean, the Fujiwara effect, which you can read more about at KOIN.com right now, helping to push that bomb cyclone, or what once was the bomb cyclone, back into our area. It arrives by the time we get to Sunday and Monday. Again, it will be significantly weaker and not expected to do anything more than a few light rain showers. So we'll time it all out here with the Futurecast, expecting to see a few dry moments as we work our way into the morning hours tomorrow. And we do anticipate drier conditions by the afternoon, still a rain potential, but as we slowly dry things out, that's when the winds will start to increase as a hit-and-miss shower takes us well into Saturday as the snow continues to fall over the Cascades. Look at these numbers, filling up the rain gauge as we march our way through the weekend, close to about 1.25 inches for us up and down the I-5 corridor as snow elevation levels quickly fall Thursday into Friday. So within about the next 12 hours, falling from 7,000 feet to 4,000 feet as Mount Hood itself piles up the snow, nearing a foot for those skiers and snowboarders. Tonight here in the city, 47 degrees. That's where we expect to fall to. But maybe you're planning on traveling Wednesday before Turkey Day. Expect to see drier, sunnier skies with those temperatures back in the 50s. Hey, are you traveling elsewhere? Well, prepare for some snow along I-70 in the Colorado Rockies or up towards the Great Lakes or the far northeast as thunderstorms are possible along the Mississippi River Valley. 7-day forecast. Yes, it will be rainy. It will be wet tomorrow with highs climbing into the upper 50s. That wet weather trend taking us into the start of the week before we dry things out, return the sunshine, and see those temperatures back in the low 50s.
Okay, not too bad there, Josh.
No, we will take it.
All right, thanks. Jeff, over to you.
Hey, beavers and